Whether you're training for hunting season or just love the thrill of shooting clays, the demand for clay pigeon throwers is at an all-time high. These machines have become essential for enthusiasts seeking consistent, hands-free launching. Our guide dives into the best clay pigeon throwers available today, comparing build quality, throwing power, ease of use, and overall value. List number: Do All Outdoors Wheelhouse Automatic Clay Pigeon Thrower Skeet Thrower Machine. The Do All Outdoors Wheelhouse is a high-performance, fully automatic clay thrower built for serious shooters. With a 100 clay capacity and an impressive 2.5-second cycle time, it's perfect for those looking to simulate real hunting or fast-paced shooting scenarios. Its wireless remote and 2-angle target adjustment allow for dynamic target practice. The build is rugged and designed for outdoor conditions, including all-weather aluminum and steel construction. It's ideal for clubs or individuals who want professional-grade equipment. While the price is on the higher side, the reliability, power, and features make it worth the investment. Beginners might find the setup a bit technical, but for seasoned users, it's a top-tier machine that delivers consistently.
List 2. Do All Outdoors Foul Play Electronic Clay Pigeon Thrower. The Foul Play model is a great balance between affordability and functionality. It features a 25 clay magazine and throws targets up to 55 yards, making it a solid choice for solo shooters or small group sessions. The inclusion of a foot pedal allows for hands-free operation, and the adjustable throwing angle lets users practice varied shots. With a 2.5-second cycle time and compatibility with Do All Outdoors wireless remote, sold separately, it offers flexibility without breaking the bank. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for bringing along on field trips. However, heavy use might cause wear over time, so it's better suited for casual to intermediate shooters rather than clubs or competitive training. List number:
Champion Workhorse Electronic Trap. True to its name, the Champion Workhorse is a reliable, no-nonsense thrower. With a 50 clay magazine and a throwing distance of up to 75 yards, this model bridges the gap between recreational and competitive use. It's easy to assemble, and the foot pedal trigger makes it user-friendly for solo practice. Its 3-angle throwing arm provides some shot variability, enhancing your practice. This trap is powered by a 12V battery and has a cycle time of just 2.5 seconds, making it fast enough for multiple shooters. Durability is a highlight here. The Workhorse can take a beating without performance drops. While it doesn't include a wireless remote, it's still an excellent value. List number: Caldwell Claymore Solo Clay Thrower with foot pedal, angle adjustment, and auto resetting arm. The Caldwell Claymore stands out as a manual thrower with an automatic thematic feel. Its spring-loaded design offers power without the need for batteries or electricity. The foot pedal allows solo shooters to launch clays effortlessly, and the adjustable angle provides practice for different shot trajectories. The auto-resetting throwing arm and lightweight build make it highly portable and ideal for spontaneous shooting sessions. While it lacks the tech features of pricier models, its quiet operation, ease of use, and low maintenance make it a fan favorite among beginners and budget-conscious shooters. It's also a great backup thrower to keep in your gear.
List number 5. Champion Wheelie Bird Auto Feed Trap. The Champion Wheelie Bird is a favorite for its mobility and efficiency. Equipped with a 50 clay magazine and a powerful motor, it can throw targets up to 55 yards with a quick 2-second reset time. It comes with a 25-foot foot pedal and has compatibility with a wireless remote for solo shooting. Its wheeled base and compact frame make it easy to transport, living up to its name. Angle adjustments allow users to change trajectory, offering a dynamic shooting experience. The Wheelie Bird is known for its smooth operation and is suitable for both casual and experienced shooters. The battery is not included, but that's a minor trade-off considering its consistent performance and portability.